When your air conditioner is running but the house is still warm, it's easy to panic. The good news is that AC problems usually have a specific cause, and finding it is the first step to fixing it right. At Pristine Air, heating and cooling, every AC repair call starts the same way. We diagnose the system before we recommend anything. Before a single part gets replaced, we look at how the system is operating as a whole. One of the most common culprits we find on AC calls in this area is a failing capacitor or worn electrical component inside the outdoor condenser. When those parts start to go, the system may hum when it tries to start, short cycle, struggle to keep up, or stop cooling altogether. In other cases, the system runs but barely moves cool air through the house, which points somewhere else entirely. Another question homeowners ask is whether they're low on refrigerant. It's possible, but if the system is low, the real question is why. Topping off refrigerant without finding the source of the loss just delays the same problem. A proper repair means locating the leak, not just adding more refrigerant. Airflow is often the surprise answer. A clogged filter, a dirty coil, a blocked return vent, a weak blower motor, or a restriction somewhere in the duct system can all make a cooling system behave like it needs a major repair when the real fix is much simpler. This is exactly why we don't skip the airflow check. That's what makes a thorough diagnostic visit worthwhile. We look at the outdoor unit, indoor air handler, thermostat, airflow, and the specific symptoms you've been noticing because the combination of those things usually points us to the problem quickly. We also ask you what you've observed, when it started, whether the issue is constant or intermittent, and how the house has been feeling. Once we find the issue, we walk you through what failed, why it happened, and what your options are, including what happens if you choose to wait. We put that in writing before any work begins, so there are no surprises. You make the call, we do the work. If your AC is blowing warm air, short cycling, struggling to keep the house cool, or just not behaving the way it used to, that's worth having someone take a look. Give Pristine Air a call or schedule online. We'll come out, take a look, and help you understand exactly what's going on.